April and welcome to another vlog of mine. Initially, I did not intend to do this video, but I suddenly have this feeling of wanting to do this video spontaneously, so here I am. Right now it is 6:45 and I just got back from my lab and had a shower. So I'm going to start doing my assignment for one of my courses, which is on Artificial Intelligence in Power System. Our lecturer wanted us to do a presentation on the topics of power system analysis, yes, which is the subject that I have been studying lately as a refresher to all of us. This is because the power system is the fundamental in this course, and without understanding this power grid power system, we are not able to apply artificial intelligence to solve the problems that there is. So that is why our lecturer asked us to do this assignment. This is a group work. Me and my group mate, we decided to do the topic log flow analysis. As I have been studying this subject, I have not reached that chapter yet, so I still haven't quite understood the chapter. Yes, I studied it in my third year, but then I didn't really understand what I was studying, so I took it as an opportunity to learn about this topic again using this assignment. The night before, I had started doing this assignment by reading up on this topic on the internet, and the more I read about it, the more I was excited about it because I began to understand what this topic is all about. Before I went to bed last night, I read this science fiction novel, which was the book that I read in my previous video, The Three-Body Problem, and I got really excited from reading the book because it's so interesting. The part that I read last night was on one of the characters who used mathematical model to solve the three-body problem. He hasn't quite solved it yet, but he's attempting to, which is quite cool because he's really good in math. This book is really an inspiration for scientists and also those doing research because they really talk about science passionately in a way that you would want to do research and learn about science like them. It's amazing to see how maths is being used in life, and so it's the same for power system. It's just using different application. So by the time I went to bed last night, my brain was so excited. It kept thinking about how amazing science is, how amazing maths is, how they are being used to solve problems in life. And then I couldn't sleep. So I got up and then I opened my power system analysis book to study about log flow analysis and study a little about Newton-Raphson and Gauss-Seidel method. It's really interesting. I also installed Powerwall Simulator, a simulation program which is used by this author in order to help students understand about power system analysis better. I was so excited that when I was in the lab just now, I kept thinking about wanting to complete this assignment. I was so excited to learn about this topic even more. Yeah, so here I am recording this video of me doing this assignment. I can't wait to start doing this presentation to share about what I have already known and at the same time learn more along the way. Yeah, so let's start. it's almost 8 and I have only finished one slide for now. I forgot how long it takes to finish a presentation slide sometimes. So yeah, but anyway, I have some training to attend, so I'll stop here for now and resume later. I'll attend the meeting while I have my dinner, so see you guys later. This is what I have done for the whole night. I have only managed to complete 3 slides here, and it's taking me a whole night to do that. There's no choice because I really just wanted to do this well. I know that I don't need to spend so much time on a PowerPoint slide, but I still think it's very important to make the PowerPoint slide human readable, not just covered with words, but in a way that is appealing to humans. By the time I finished with these table slides, I felt like I needed to understand the topic more, so I went on and read this Duncan Clover reference book in order to understand it, and indeed there's a lot of equations to understand, and I even opened up another textbook by other authors here. See, there's so many equations. There's so many equations and a lot of MATLAB programs to try out. So I'm getting excited, but it's getting really late, so I need to force myself to stop as I have lab tomorrow. So it's getting really late. It's about 12 right now, and I have to force myself to stop and call it a day. All in all, that is how my evening of doing an assignment is like. It's just me having this sudden urge to complete an assignment. I've never been this excited to complete an assignment before. For anyone who's watching this video, try to learn things because you want to and not because others ask you to. Of course, it's very important that you score well in the exam, but then I think it's much more meaningful if you learn it from your heart and not motivated by other external factors. Just try to understand what you're learning, how it can be applied in real life. Then you will find that the learning process will be much easier because it becomes so much more meaningful. I would say that my final year of my undergraduate studies was really interesting because that's when I began to understand why we were learning certain stuff and how it can be applied in life. It makes me feel like all the effort I have spent into learning a subject much more meaningful. I can begin to see what I've learned being applied in life. So I will encourage everyone to do the same, to try to understand what you're learning and how it can be applied in life. I think this will really make your learning process much easier and faster. Yeah, so that's all for today. I'm really happy to be able to spend my night doing this assignment, which I am interested about, because once I finish doing this assignment and understand about the fundamentals of power system analysis, then I can begin to apply artificial intelligence into it, which is also one of my interests. I guess that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you next time around. Just keep working hard. Bye bye.